As you probably know, International Finance Corporation is part of the World Bank Group. It is that part of World Bank which focuses on activating the private sector for the purposes of development, especially in the emerging markets. I work with IFC's Green Building Market Transformation team. We have a green building certification system called EDGE. Now, EDGE is a tech-enabled certification system that focuses on evaluating building performance on the basis of energy and carbon performance. And this is valid for both new and existing buildings. Well, climate change is a major threat for all of us. The building sector contributes majority, at least 40% of the global greenhouse gas emissions. Now, our focus is to help the real estate industry move towards carbon neutrality. We want to meet and engage with all the major developers and investors and help them get started on the path to net zero or carbon neutrality. So I started my career about 26 years ago when I graduated from School of Planning and Architecture, Delhi. So I started my work as architect, and then after a few years, I decided to do my MBA. I went to the US and completed my MBA from University of Georgia, where I specialized in finance and real estate. I worked for some time in the US with CBRE, and then I came back to India and joined Cushman & Wakefield as head of their capital markets group. More recently, I was CEO of a large real estate project, about 100 acres in the peripheries of Mumbai, which had multiple product typologies. Just before joining IFC, I was Chief Business Development Officer at Mahindra Lifespace. I currently work with EDGE team of IFC, and I am helping the team propagate the adoption of EDGE in the Indian real estate industry, and I'm doing my bit towards sustainability through that. Well, I've been in Mumbai for about 11 years now. I was born in Kanpur and I grew up in Delhi. So I feel I belong to all of these places. I like meeting people. I like working for causes that help people at large. And that gives me a lot of satisfaction and happiness. And that is why I've changed my career more recently from real estate investments to green buildings. I like traveling. I like going to scenic places, especially with family. I love the mountains. I like going out for long drives, and I'm a bit of a driving enthusiast.